Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Kegel Ball Set. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Kegel Ball Set itself, and you can train your pelvic floor muscles. As you can see, there are 6 Kegel balls included in this set, and they are varying weights, so you can start with the lightest, which is the lightest pink, and as you can see, you can work your way up and the shades of pink change to the darkest. So the darkest is the heaviest and the lightest is the lightest colour as well. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. It also has a flexible drawstring, so insertion and removal is simple and easy. Now, when using the Kegel balls, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant. Simply pop a little on and insert, and it's very easy to insert and very gentle as well. You can train daily for 20 minutes for the best results, and the benefits of a strong pelvic floor muscle are more intense orgasms, more stimulation during penetration, and more bladder control as well. Make sure you clean the Kegel balls after every use, using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Teazers Kegel Ball Set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.